Hi, I'm Mo, and this is Hans. You can usually find us on motorcycles, but today we're here with Vikingbags to tell you all about the 40-liter Momentum side bags and 13-liter Momentum tail bag, universal fit for any and all sport bikes. Let's get into it. This smaller box is going to be for the tail bag. This is the 13-liter option. They do have a much bigger option, but I figured with the side bags, this would be more than enough for me. Just off the bat, the construction on these is really nice. I like the zippers, I like the clasps. The material feels really good. It looks pretty clean. Nice functional. Some straps on the back. I'm assuming this is how you would strap it down. The zippers are smooth. We got a lot of storage space inside, and it even looks like it comes with a rain cover so that all your stuff can stay protected and dry. Box, it looks like we're gonna have the side saddlebags. These side bags are really nice and sturdy. They have really nice material, good stitching. The zippers are smooth, just like on the top of the tail bag. One thing that is very surprising about these for me is that these are sturdy. I thought these would be a little more flimsy, a little more loose, but I like how solid they feel. They're not gonna be like flapping in the wind or anything while I'm riding. It also looks like it comes with some step-by-step instructions on how to install it on the bike if you need a little extra help. So you access the top of the saddlebags through here, easy access into the insides, and it looks like there's a water cover for these as well. Really awesome that we get these from Vikingbags. Means you could take a trip no matter what the weather is. All right, without further ado, let's get these thrown on the bike and let's take a little trip, put them to the test. Putting the tail bag on is super easy and straightforward. All you have to do is remove the rear seat, place the bag on top of it, and use the provided straps to safely strap it down underneath the seat. It's just like installing any other tail bag on a sport bike. Installing the saddlebags by themselves is very easy and straightforward as well. You simply throw them over your passenger seat and strap them down to either your passenger pegs or the frame for security. When you install both of them together, it does become a bit challenging, and I found that the easiest way was to set it up off of the bike and then bring it to the bike to finish the installation from there. Once you've got the bag system on your bike, you want to use the supporting straps to secure it. The first one is going to use a small clip, and it's going to go from the side bags to either your passenger pegs or the frame of your bike. The next one is a bigger clip, and it'll go from the side bags to the tail bag to secure it from moving back and forward. You'll do the same thing on both sides. Then, moving around to the back, you'll use a small clip to secure it to the tail bag, again so it can't move forward or backwards. Once you've got everything secured, make sure all the straps are neatly tidied up and you're all good to go. And there you have it, the Vikingbags Momentum tail and saddlebags installed on my 2024 CBR 650R. Now, before I take off on my camp trip to put these to the test, I have noticed a couple details that I didn't notice while we were inside. First, these reflective strips that are on both the saddlebags and the tail bag to make me a little bit more visible while riding at night. Love that touch from Vikingbags. Another detail is going to be this rubber netting that you find on the front of the saddlebags as well as the top of the tail bag. That's going to let you strap on additional attachments and accessories that you may need on your ride. Now, I had noticed that these side bags have extendable pockets on both sides, but I didn't notice that the tail bag has one as well. So you can actually get a little bit of extra space out of this if you need it. Now, I'm also a huge fan of the tapered design of these bags. I like how they fit the tail of my bike and they're not sitting out wider than my mirrors, so I can still lane split through traffic here in LA. Another awesome detail on these bags is the locking mechanism found on the zippers. When you bring both sides of the zippers together, there's actually a loop that allows you to put a little travel lock in there of your choosing, and that way you can keep these secure when you pop off into the gas station or grab a quick bite. Overall, I'm really satisfied with these bags, the way they fit on the bike, the way they look, the storage that they have. but let's put them to the test and see how they really do in a real life situation. I'll catch up with you when we get to the campsite to give you my final thoughts on these bags. If you want to check out our moto camping vlog and get a little more behind the scenes about these bags, pop over to my channel, Motorcycles, and check it out. See you there. So after finally getting a chance to put the Momentum tail and saddlebags to the test, here are my final thoughts. Overall, I'm very happy with the performance of these bags. It really seems like Vikingbags has thought of everything from strapping them on the bike to filling them up to riding with them. These bags work wonders. The expandable pockets allow you to fit everything that you would need, and them being wind, dust, and water resistant means you can go pretty much anywhere you need to without worrying about the stuff that you have. They even come with waterproof covers for each bag so that if it does start raining, you can go ahead and protect your stuff. As someone who doesn't like riding with a backpack, this is a great system. I'm definitely going to be using this for longer trips, weekend trips, camping, and any other time that I need storage really. I have plenty of footage of me riding on the freeway with these, going speeds above 75 miles per hour, and they hold on great. They're sturdy so they don't flap in the wind, and they attach really well so you're not worried about them moving when you're riding around. The tapered design right here narrows out towards the back and really fits the tail of your sport bike, so there's no wind drag and they're really not noticeable while you're riding. In fact, I was even lane splitting with these on, and because they don't stick out further than my mirrors, it was not a problem at all. So if you're someone like me who lives in a place with a lot of traffic and that's a concern of yours, these will not get in the way of your lane splitting, and they will not hinder you in any of your riding that you're going to be doing on your sport bike. If you want to check out the Momentum tail and side bags for your sport bike, go to vikingbags.com. Shout out to Vikingbags for inviting me out to check out their Momentum bags and for making this camp trip possible. I'm your host Mo, and you're watching Vikingbags. Ride safe.